everybody, and you already know it's your girl Jade, and I'm back with another DIY. This time I'm about to bleach my Freedom of Speech shirt. I pressed the homie for this shirt, and I can't lie, he pulled up on me. He told me he had the Jay-Z and Biggie one, but then I was like, am I, me Jade, gonna bleach and then give away my man? Oh no, that can never happen. But this I can do. So I already have the double-sided tape on here. So I'm just going to put this on here so that when I bleach it down, I don't mess up the image. So now I'm about to cut around it. So now that I put the double-sided tape on it, put the plastic bag over it, cut around it so I can protect the image. I'm about to put it in the tub, spray it down, spray the front, flip it over, spray the back, and then I'm going to show you how it comes out. So as you can see, I done came out my clothes because I was waiting for my shirt to wash and dry. But guess what? Look at this. You gonna tell me this is not lit right here? What? Now beware, you never know how it's gonna come out because some spray nozzles just spray, some squirt, so you never know the end result. But this right here is all worth it, and I know just what I'm giving it to.